Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule a delivery on Wayfair. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so basically what we want to do is go through to the checkout as usual. And then once you're at the checkout option, this only applies for large items because smaller items are shipped by UPS, FedEx, and they don't allow scheduled delivery, only the large items. And these can be sofas, beds, dining sets, appliances. And simply, head out to the checkout section, and depending what you're ordering off of Wayfair, it might qualify so you can schedule that delivery. So go ahead and click on proceed to checkout and then choose the scheduled delivery option if it is available. Not all products are going to have that option. Now, if your product doesn't have the option, what you can do before you proceed to the checkout is to just simply reach out to Wayfair's customer support team and just ask if they can schedule that delivery for whatever you're ordering off of Wayfair. And now, depending what carrier they're going to use, like XPO, FedEx, Freight, etc., they may call, text, or email you with a link to choose your delivery date and time. So keep an eye out on your emails